Good afternoon, everyone. Thanks for joining me in this video. This is Sunday, the 11th day of January 2026. I am back to YouTube after a whole day. Yesterday, I was not online, so a lot of things transpired yesterday. Very early in the morning yesterday, there was a news of shock and disbelief that enveloped Ikoyinde. Ikoyinde is a historic town situated within the Orire local government area of Oyo State. Orire is Oriire. This is a historic town that if you want to know anything about old or your empire, this is the destination where you are going to go. It's full of cultural heritage in display and so on and so forth. They are peace-loving people. Like these people are very nice people. But it's so unfortunate that yesterday they received a letter from what people refer to as bandit. But investigation revealed that these were the ISIS. Okay, so they sent a letter. The two letters, one was in Yoruba language, one was in English. So the one in English is stated clearly that these people should wait for them on the 20th day of January 2026. Now, I'm shocked in the details of this letter. The ISIS said that the Nigerian government sent them to go and take over the Orire in this Ikoyi in Orire local government area to take over them. That it is the Nigerian government that sent them. That they are coming on the 20th day of January, and they said that they should wait for them. And I want you people to understand the audacity, like the power, the authority at which these people sent letters. This is not the first time, this is not the second time they will send letter. Everybody will be aware of it. They will go there, they will carry out what they want to do. Everybody will still keep quiet and the silence continue to grow. However, 3 weeks ago, this same ISIS sent a message openly in their handle. They said that every Christian in Nigeria will pay with their blood. After 3 weeks, they made a statement. They are killing close to 400 people now, just getting to 3 weeks. And here we are in Oyo State, in Yoruba community. They are now sending letters that they are coming to kill these people unless you get prepared. And what do they want from these people? Take over your community, keep paying them tax, continue to pay your taxes to them. So this is so disheartening. So that yesterday, this was what wanted to push me out, from what I was doing to come into online to do this particular video. But I tried contacting the police, and I was told that the police is aware of it. So that gave me comfort. It gave me comfort not because police will be able to stop this or police will be able to curb this. But it gave me comfort because now the government is aware. When I mean the government, it's not the people in the government who are sponsoring these people, but I mean the general public and the police, everybody. So it is no longer something that is news that people are not talking about since the police is aware. So the DSP online Ayanlade, okay, Ayanlade, okay, Ayanlade. So that is the name of the DSP. He actually spoke about this that yesterday, and he said they are doing investigation. So I just want to let the police to understand that these people are ISIS. These people are ISIS. Investigation revealed that these people are ISIS. Now, these people they are not, hiding their activities at all. They are not hiding their activities. I want to, I don't know whether they have released the profiling of the people, 30 persons they captured in the forest. They captured 30 people in the forest, they posted it, and a lot of people were sad that Amotokun said they are going to send them back to the north. That was a very big mistake if they actually send those people back to the north, because these people have surrounded every forest in Yoruba land and they know what they are there to do. Take over this place. Okay. When you finish taking over this place, it will be left with the Niger Delta and the southeastern part of the country. So it will be easy. The Kogi state is already taken over, especially the Yoruba speaking part, Kogi West, the Agba, where all those places, they have been taken over by these people. So this is a systematic movement and Islamization of Nigeria. People don't want to hear this from me that this is Islamization of Nigeria. Some people say, oh no, it is Fulanization, but come on, Islamization, it has a process in like there is a very written, stipulated approach to it. So when you see the approach being implemented, it is Islamization. Now, I can't just understand this, that you as a person, you said you believe in God, and you say that the mandate God gave you is to make sure you convert people, If those people refuse to convert, they become infidel that will pay taxes to you. And if they refuse to pay their taxes, you can kill them. Like if you have a law, Nigeria government recognized this law that said that if you fail to convert, you pay tax. If you fail to pay tax to these people, you will be killed. Nigeria government recognizes this law and they put it in the Nigerian constitution. And some of you are fooling yourself. No, I want you to get this understanding better. Take a listen.
Muslim said, Islam spread by the sword. So what? We gave them the choices between accepting Islam or paying taxation or facing the possibility of going to war. But to say, no, Islam was not spread by the sword, this is not true. What is meant by it is mentioned, which is to fight. To fight the people until they accept the religion or to pay taxation. And this is clearly mentioned in chapter 9. Okay. So you have to fight them until they give the taxation. In Islam, when we conquer a country, of course there's nothing peaceful about it. But look at the amount of Muslims coming in to Islam. They are in the thousands, in the hundreds of thousands, in the millions.
Now, I hope you understand what this man said. It's just a simple English, so everyone who understands English should be able to understand what he said. There is nothing peaceful about this. They have the mandate to fight people until they convert. Now, the question I'm still asking today, because like you know me, I don't think only at this moment. I don't only think about what is going on now. I also think about generations to come. And that is why I am able to even tell you what is going to happen tomorrow. It will happen because I think generational. Now, when you have these people in a place with you called a country, and you believe this is manageable, this is not a dangerous diversity, like we can manage these things and we can make Nigeria to be great. I'm sorry to say that I don't want to use derogatory words, but like you have to manage your insanity the way you think. These people have it in their constitution. That is the constitution Nigerian government have recognized that some people can be able to practice it. And in that constitution, if you are a Muslim, you convert to Christianity, you shall be killed. Nigerian government recognizes that, right? So when US says that Nigeria must stop Sharia law, they understand that Sharia law, like the details of Sharia law, is just a hub of Islamizing anywhere. It's a hub to Islamizing anywhere. Now, in this law, it states that you can't live with people who do not believe with you and keep quiet. They are infidel. You've tried to convert them. If they refuse to become Islam, then they have to pay taxes. If they refuse to pay taxes, then you can kill them. That was what ISÍS was saying. And the media houses in Nigeria, a lot of them are not interested. But thank God for Arise News, especially Ayo. I know that if it is only Reuben Abati will like not to say anything about it because he don't like saying it. When they are speaking about it, I used to see his body language. You understand? So I saw the Arise News. They analyzed this issue of ISIS, saying that they are going to kill the whole Christians in Nigeria. People are calling it a mere threat. Imagine if it was Christians that threatened these people that they are going to kill all of them. The whole world will be raising an alarm. UN is going to sit. UN is a very bad and dangerous organization. African Union, you see the reason why Trump wants to withdraw from all these useless international bodies, because they are so useless. A whole 150 million people have been threatened to be wiped out by ISIS. UN did not speak. African Union did not speak. How you people think this thing, it doesn't matter? And look at, they are sending letters to communities, killing people. Like, what the hell is this? And after that, some people will also say, okay, what are you going to do you yourself? If you want to know what I want to do, I will tell you that what I want to do is what I'm doing. I have to create the awareness. Somebody must speak the truth. Somebody must let people know what is actually going on. So it is so disheartening. Now, let me summarize the details of what is going on now in this Yoruba community as panic has enveloped the community. This is the details of this article. It says that panic has gripped residents of Ikoyi in Orire, local government area of Oyo State, following the discovery of threatening message believed to have been left by suspected bandits. Just as I told you, what the people are saying, they call these people bandits, the people that bomb, bandits, the people that kill, bandits, the people that assassinate, bandits, the people that kidnap, bandits. But it takes investigation to understand that these people are ISIS. not the normal bandits they call them. Okay. Now, he says that they're prompting a police investigation into their source and purpose. Okay. The Oyo State Police Command confirmed on Saturday that the notes were found in the community, sparking fear after rumors spread that armed attackers were planning to strike the town. Okay. Ikoyi Inde lies within the same local government council area where 5 forest guards were killed near the old Oyo National Park. Do you understand? I made the video how the Oyo State Governor say Makinde raised that their forest guards were killed. Okay, and that is why I'm so furious about Amatokum. After capturing 30 people in the same forest, they are saying that they are going to release them back to the north. It's insane. Now, a development that has already heightened security concerns among locals. According to finding, 2 separate notes were dropped at a different point of a building in the town, one at the front and the other at the rear. The message reportedly warned of an attack slated for Tuesday, January 20, 2026. One of the notes, handwritten in Yoruba and bearing no signature or clear identification, was reportedly headed Lati Ado bandit and threatened an invasion of the community on the stated date. The message suggested residents should prepare for the arrival of the attackers, with language interpreted as hostile and intimidating. The second note was written in English, was equally alarming. It claimed the writers had been working for 3 days and alleged that the government had sent them to Ikoyinde, ending with a warning for residents to expect their arrival. Government sent them. Okay, don't forget that Nigerian government sent them. So whether they said in data is a lie that government did not send them, that the ISIS is writing nonsense, time will tell. Why the true authorship of the notes and any genuine connection to the bandits group remain unverified. Their appearance has generated widespread anxiety and tension within the town. Just like I said, they are saying, oh, the unverified. Okay, we carried out NATO investigation. We understand that these people are the Islamic, state people called ISIS. Their aim is to Islamize anywhere they are. That is their mission. It is stipulated in their constitution. And that is why you could see someone like Sheikh Ahmed Gumi coming out to tell you that, come on, these people are not going anywhere. They are people, they belongs to them. And that is the same statement made by Dauda Lawa, the Zamfara state governor. Take a listen.
Like I said, we know where these guys are. We know where they live. We know their parents.
You know them as a government?
Of course we do. They live with the same community we live.
So why is it difficult to get them?
That is the $1 million question that I should ask you.
We are trying to understand, for those of us who are now conversant with Zamfara, have never been there, and we hear you as a chief security officer speak tonight to say you know these people, but yet you can't get them. It's a head scratcher.
It is something that we are trying to all put our heads together. That is why, from what I can do as a governor, to have this CPG as a first line of defense. Of course, military are there, police are there, as well as civil defense, but they are not under my control. They are under the control of federal government. And they are.
Yes, that is a very great reminder to you. We know whom they are, we know where they came from, we know their parents, we know them, they live around us. That was the governor of Zamfara State in Nigeria speaking forth the truth that you have to know. So you can see the connection why when these people said it is government that sent us, we don't doubt it because the government are aware of, the activities of these people. They know whom they are, and you can see people in Nigeria saying these people are going nowhere. I pity every Nigerian who still don't understand that it is not only about you forcing yourself or people forcing you against your will to convert to Islam. It is also about you becoming a slave. It is also about you being killed. The choice is yours. Anyway, let me know what you think about this. I'm Okochapi myself. I am a conflict and insecurity reporter.